India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has said that Bangladesh is central to India's neighbourhood first policy, addressing a joint media meet in Dhaka on Thursday, along with his Bangladeshi counterpart. The minister said that the relation between the two countries transcends even the strategic relationship, saying that the importance of Bangladesh is growing in India's Act East policy. The minister said there are enormous possibilities when it comes to deepening the ties between the two sides. According to sources, Bangladesh and India are no longer focusing on the year-old Teesta River Treaty. The basin is known for the lack of an agreement between India and Bangladesh over its water sharing. However, both countries plan to develop economic diplomacy and connectivity. As part of India's neighbourhood first policy, S. Jaishankar is in Dhaka. He was in Dhaka on a day-long visit, responsible to prepare the ground for Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's upcoming visit to Bangladesh. That was the agenda of that visit. Jaishankar also met the Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and conveyed greetings on behalf of the Indian Prime Minister. Prime Minister Modi is likely to pay a two-day visit to Bangladesh starting the 26th of March. He will participate in the celebrations of the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh's independence. This year also completes 50 years of Bangladesh-India diplomatic ties. Prime Minister Hasina has thanked Prime Minister Modi for accepting her invitation to visit Bangladesh in March. Bangladeshi officials who are familiar with the visit say that during Prime Minister Modi's visit, the two premiers are likely to flag off a direct passenger train service between Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri in West Bengal. Hasina and Prime Minister Modi held a virtual summit on the 17th of December when they jointly flagged off the train service between Haldibari and Chilahati.
I have talked to many high officials of the Foreign Ministry of Bangladesh. They have talked that Bangladesh has no longer focus on Teesta Treaty. Bangladesh actually focusing on the economic diplomacy, connectivity, trade and economic partnership. And that is why the two countries is working on that. And most importantly, Bangladesh is thinking of enhancing the economic partnership and trade relations with India.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.